Hey guys, I'm glad you found this video because today I'm going to help you get ungated in Nike. Alright guys, so before we get started, I just want to say that this is very valuable information. People paid thousands of dollars to get this type of help, and I'm going to give it to you for free. So all I'm asking is for you to please like and subscribe to support this channel down below. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and show you the two websites which I used to get ungated in Nike, Adidas, and a couple other brands. You'll see them here. This is just a glimpse of all the brands that they sell. I found this website, both websites, in Las Vegas. I went to a trade show, so these are authorized sellers, and as well I'm going to show you my invoice just so you can know that I did buy from these places. So the first one is United Perfumes. The reason why I choose this one first is because I'm not sure if all you guys have an actual business license, but if you don't have a business license, it's okay because United Perfumes doesn't ask for a business license to make a purchase with them. You do need a minimum order of $350 though. So in order for this to work, you're gonna have to buy $350 worth of items. What I did, actually, let me show you what I did. What I did, I ordered 10 items of different brands. So you see here 10 items of Disney. I got 10 items of Marvel, 10 items of Nautica, 12 items of Nike. So this came out to a total order of $352. And if you look over here, you can see all the same brands that I just mentioned. And it showed that I got approved for each one. Alright, this is the second website. It's called nandansen.com. I'm going to have the link to both of these websites in the description box, so you don't have to type them in manually. But this one, it does require a business license, and it's got a whole bunch of brands. This one has way more than the first website. You can see here like Dolce & Gabbana, there's Adidas, there's Disney as well. A whole bunch of really nice brands, and let's show you my order history. So this is my order history. I spent $775 on this one. The reason why I spent so much was because this was actually the first website that I used to get ungated. I wanted to buy Adidas and I wanted to sell Adidas. I felt like Amazon wouldn't accept me if I only gave them a quantity of 10. So I was like, maybe I should try 30. That would probably guarantee that I'd actually get approved if I had a higher number than the minimum amount. So I did 30 for $7, and as well I did Polo Ralph Lauren. I bought 20 of them for $25. I didn't really care too much about Ralph Lauren, but actually it was selling for I think about $60 at the time on Amazon. So I actually flipped these. I bought them for $25 and I sold them on Amazon for $60. They all sold pretty quick. So even if you do want to use this website, it does have a bunch of profitable products that you could find and sell on Amazon. Alright, so that pretty much sums up this video. I wish you guys success in getting ungated. And if you're interested, I am making another video of how I made $75,000 my first year selling on Amazon. So please like and subscribe and have yourself a good day.